Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0757 indicates that the Shift Solenoid Valve B is stuck in the on position. This issue can be determined using diagnostic tools such as the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. The shift solenoid plays a crucial role in controlling the hydraulic fluid flow within the transmission, which affects gear shifting performance. The valve itself is located within the transmission assembly. Should the solenoid remain stuck, it may lead to erratic shifting or transmission damage. It is essential to gather all diagnostic data and conduct a thorough evaluation before performing any repairs. The DTC P0757 reflects a problem with the Shift Solenoid Valve B, an integral component of the automatic transmission system. This solenoid controls the flow of transmission fluid, essential for engaging and disengaging various gears. The solenoid is located inside the transmission assembly, which can often be accessed through the engine compartment or via the vehicle's underside. When the solenoid gets stuck in the on position, it can disrupt the functionality of the transmission, leading to suboptimal shifting behavior. This malfunction requires immediate attention to avoid further damage to the transmission system. Several factors may contribute to the occurrence of DTC P0757. First, fluid contamination can significantly impair the functionality of the shift solenoid valve. Contaminants such as metal debris or clutch material may indicate wear within the transmission. Second, a defective shift solenoid valve itself could fail intermittently or remain stuck, thus affecting gear shifts. Lastly, internal transmission damage may lead to hydraulic issues, resulting in the solenoid not operating effectively. It is imperative to investigate these causes thoroughly to isolate the problem correctly. The symptoms associated with DTC P0757 can significantly affect the driving experience. Drivers may notice erratic gear shifts, where the vehicle either shifts harshly or gets stuck in a gear. This can lead to confusion while driving and may require additional power to accelerate. Additionally, transmission overheating may occur due to improper fluid flow caused by the malfunctioning solenoid. Typically, the check engine light on the dashboard will activate, alerting the driver to an issue that needs addressing. Recognizing these symptoms early can help prevent extensive damage to the vehicle's transmission. In this first troubleshooting step for DTC P0757, it is essential to warm the engine to its normal operating temperature, indicated by the radiator fan activation. This sets the system to realistic operating conditions. Following that, check that the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, is at the correct level, as inadequate fluid can cause shifting issues. While checking the fluid, inspect for any leaks that could compromise the system's integrity. After these checks, drain the ATF through a strainer to inspect for metal debris or excessive clutch material, which can point to severe issues within the transmission system. If any problematic material is found, it indicates significant wear or failure within the transmission, necessitating further action. The second step in troubleshooting DTC P0757 involves checking the operation of the shift solenoid valve B. First, turn the ignition switch to the on position, which prepares the electrical systems for diagnostics. Use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any recorded diagnostic trouble codes before proceeding with active testing. Then, navigate to the miscellaneous test menu within the HDS and select Shift Solenoid Valve B to test its operation. Listen for a clicking sound, which confirms that the solenoid is functioning correctly. If you do not hear this sound, it indicates a failure of the solenoid valve, which necessitates a replacement. In the third step, a test drive of the vehicle is necessary to confirm the status of the solenoid. With the shift lever in the drive or D position, allow the transmission to shift through all 5 gears while monitoring performance. It's crucial to gather feedback from the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, regarding the OBD status, specifically checking to see if P0757 appears in the DTCs menu. A status indicating failed confirms the duplication of the fault, necessitating the replacement of the Shift Valve B or possibly the entire transmission system to resolve the issue effectively. Conversely, if the system indicates passed, it might suggest an intermittent failure, which complicates diagnostics. To conclude the troubleshooting process for DTC P0757, final repair verification is essential to ensure that issues have been fully resolved. Begin by turning the ignition switch to the on position once more. Use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the diagnostic trouble codes. This step is vital to reset the system and eliminate any previously stored faults. Following this, a thorough test drive is necessary to allow the transmission to shift through all 5 gears. Throughout this process, continuously monitor the OBD status for P0757 in the DTCs menu on the HDS. If it indicates passed, this confirms the successful repair. If the system records failed or not completed, additional testing is necessary. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in ensuring the longevity and effective functioning of your Honda Civics transmission system and in avoiding issues like DTC P0757. Regular checks of the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, should be conducted to maintain the correct level and overall condition of the fluid. By monitoring the fluid for cleanliness and proper levels, you can prevent many common transmission issues. It's also beneficial to change the ATF at manufacturer-recommended intervals and to keep the transmission itself clean from debris and contaminants. Establishing a preventive maintenance routine will not only enhance your vehicle's performance, but also save on potential costly repairs down the road. In summary, the Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0757 indicates that the Shift Solenoid Valve B is stuck on, leading to potential transmission issues. To effectively resolve this issue, it is critical to check the automatic transmission fluid, ATF level and quality, conduct a thorough inspection of the Shift Solenoid Valve operation, and perform necessary repairs as indicated by diagnostic results. Testing the vehicle under driving conditions is also a key step to verify that the issue has been fully addressed. Preventive maintenance actions, such as regular inspections and fluid changes, can significantly enhance the longevity and reliability of the transmission system. Staying ahead of potential issues can make a meaningful difference in maintaining the performance of your Honda Civic. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.